baking soda, chia seeds, sea salt, eggs, almond flour or powder, vanilla extract, milk and strawberries. Place your eggs into your bowl, add your milk and vanilla extract. Now add your baking soda and chia seeds along with the salt. Lastly, add your almond flour. Spray your pan with some cooking spray. Pour the mixture into your pan. Cook your pancakes for about 3 minutes on each side. We're going to need fresh parsley and fresh dill. I've got some flour, salt and pepper, breadcrumbs, oil, onion, 2 garlic cloves, egg yolks and mushrooms. Cut your onion nice and fine. Add onions and garlic into your pan and fry it until it's nice and golden. Cut your mushrooms into small pieces. Add mushrooms into your pan. We're going to cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes until all the water evaporates completely. Add your fresh parsley and dill. Add onions into your food processor. Add your mushrooms. Add your mushroom mixture into a bowl. Add your egg yolks, breadcrumbs and some cheese. Give this all a really good mix. Put this into the fridge for half an hour. Add breadcrumbs and flour into a bowl. You're going to take about a tablespoon of your mixture, roll it into a bowl, coat each mushroom cutlet in breadcrumb and flour mixture. Fry your cutlets for about 5 minutes on both sides until they're nice and golden. For this recipe we're going to need 2 bananas, 2 eggs, a pinch of cinnamon, a bit of vanilla extract and some baking powder. I'm going to be using my blender, but you can also do it all by hand by just whisking the eggs and adding the mashed bananas. So we start off by peeling out bananas. Add your bananas, vanilla and eggs, cinnamon and baking powder. I'm going to use some low-calorie spray. Pour about 2 tablespoons of the mixture into your pan. I don't measure it, I just pour it like that. You have to be very gentle when you flip them over. Just go under and just flip, just like that. We're going to need potato, egg, cheddar cheese or any other cheese you like, butter, flour and sour cream. Depending on how big or small you want your cutlets to be, just place about a tablespoon onto your board, floured board, and we're going to add more flour on top. Just shape it up. We're going to need sugar, semolina, oats, raisins, honey, agave syrup, sour cream, eggs, baking soda, a bit of salt, and dry cottage cheese or ricotta cheese or farms cheese, whatever you like. Spray your pan with some cooking oil. Use about 1 tablespoon of mixture and just gently place it on there. You want to flatten them out so that they cook quite quickly. And now we're going to flip them very gently because they're quite fragile. They don't have any flour, so just move it on top and just flip it like that. And we're just going to cook them on the other side for about 5 minutes. Now let's make the blini. In a bowl, add your eggs and then sugar and salt. Then you want to whisk this on high speed until your mixture doubles. Then you want to add milk and sift your flour straight in there, and then using a whisk, mix it all again. Then add your oil and mix everything one more time and your mixture is ready to go. Make sure your pan is nice and hot and you want to add your first ladle on top, and then swirl it around and cook it for a few minutes on each side. Your first pancake might not be good, but just keep going and then you will have a stack of delicious blinchiki. Now we're going to make our potato fillings. So take your potatoes, peel them off, take off all the skin, and once they're ready we're going to cut them into nice small pieces, sort of like in quarters, so cut in half and then in half again. So these should be good. You want to then place them into a pot of cold water and we're going to boil them for about 25 minutes or so. It might take less depending on how quickly they boil. Once they are boiled and ready, you want to mash them up with a potato masher and then add some seasoning, salt and pepper and a bit of butter. Mix everything together and it's done. Next you want to make your mushroom filling. Cut your onion into nice small thin pieces and then add butter and your onion into a pan. We're going to fry this until it's nice and golden and caramelized. Then you want to add your mushrooms and mix everything together and cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Add salt and pepper and some garlic powder if you want and mix everything until it's done. Take each pancake, place it onto your board and you want to add 2 tablespoons of filling, so 1 tablespoon of each thing. So add your potato together, squash it down, and then you want to roll it up from the bottom and kind of lock the filling inside, and then take it from the sides and make a nice roll up. So just hold the filling, press down and keep rolling until you get a nice roll, just like that. So we're going to repeat the process with the rest of the pancakes. Feel free to add less or more potato or filling as you like, but I do find that this combination works the best. And once you have done all your pancakes, you can either store them in a freezer for later, or if you're going to eat them straight away, then I suggest you preheat your pan and put some butter and oil inside. And then on a high heat, you want to fry them from both sides until they get beautiful, nice and golden color. Make sure you don't burn them, so just be very careful and watch. Once they're nice and crispy, you can serve them. They're so delicious. You've got that crispy topping, very soft inside, very delicious filling. It's really mouth-watering. Serve it with sour cream or any other sauces that you might like. And enjoy, guys. Thanks for watching.